Here's how to turn off videos playing automatically while scrolling on YouTube. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Playback. This is where YouTube controls how videos behave while scrolling. Look for the option called Playback in Feeds or Autoplay on Home. Tap on it and select Off. This stops videos from playing automatically while you scroll. Once this is turned off, videos will no longer play unless you tap on them. And that's it. You've successfully stopped YouTube videos from playing while scrolling. Like and subscribe for more simple YouTube tutorials.